UAAP Season 75 Women's Volleyball action. This is the 5th day of the brand new season. So far, we'll take a look at the team standings. Ateneo on top. The lone team at the top of the team standings. 2 wins, no defeats, and they have an opportunity to have their first 3-0 start should they win against UST later on.
Well, that's a match that a lot of people are anticipating already.
And this is a UST team that would like to bounce back.
Oh, yeah.
Because they just lost to NU in their last game.
That's right. And you know what's funny, Anton? I remembered when we were covering the UP-UE match.
Okay.
And that the game after was LaSalle UST.
Okay.
Puno na eh. I mean, the crowd was already filled to the brim. But you can see, may yellow. Di ba dapat red and maroon? May yellow, may green. Talaga they're ready, they're early already. And they were cheering, which is nice also for UP and UE.
It just goes to show that just because you're from a different school doesn't mean you don't want to watch exciting volleyball action.
And again, we have to say that day, both games went the distance, went all of 5 sets.
You know, everybody I've asked in the volleyball community, sinabi nila sa akin na wala silang maalala na nangyaring ganun.
Yeah.
Yung opening weekend, lahat ng games went the distance.
That's right. Or, you know, in any international tournament, I haven't seen that as well in all my years of playing and following the sport. So, I was saying that's just a sign of what's more to come here in season 75.
Yeah, a lot of unexpected things have happened so far. Like LaSalle, first time under Coach Ramil de Jesus na natalo sila sa first game ng season. Imagine that. 15 seasons as the head coach of LaSalle, talking about Coach Ramil, first time they lose an opening game.
That's right. And, you know, last season, they didn't lose in the elimination.
Yes.
So, a lot of firsts here in the season.
Which is what makes volleyball, its popularity continuing to grow with each passing year, especially here in the UAAP. And thank you so much to everybody supporting the sport, especially ABS-CBN Sports, as we continue to do our best to deliver the best coverage possible here, UAAP Season 75.
And so far, so good for NU here in the 4th set. And as I say that, service error
by Santiago.
You know, Santiago is one of the league's top servers, but today, in today's match, she has committed a couple of service errors.
You know, naisip ko lang ngayon, because we were talking about UST, ang bigat pala ng schedule nila to start UAAP Season 75. Imagine they had to go up against LaSalle. And then this revamped, newly improved NU team with Santiago. And then later, they're going to go up against Ateneo.
That's right. Good
Killer
point.
schedule.
Good point.
All right, let's go now to Kat Salao.
Since the first set, Coach Boy has been problematizing their own defense, their own reception rather, as well as NU's eager defense, particularly Jeneline Reyes. So Coach Boy advised the Warriors that as much as possible, they give their services and easy overs to the front and center so that somehow at least marattle ang towering front lines ng NU. Notes were given to Mitch Manansala that she, as much as possible, she should keep moving with the ball. She should also wait for it to go down before adjusting kasi nauuna daw siya. Serena Bulan also tried to pass on her positivity, urging the girls to shout mine and wag bumitaw. Lastly, Coach Boy gave a little tactic in that last technical timeout. Hinga ng malalim, mag-isip ng mababaw, mag-isip ng malalim, okay na, gawa na kayo. And hopefully it works its magic soon. Anton?
Thank you, Kats. So another motivational love song for Coach Boy Dalistan.
Pablo.
Hinga ng mataas. I don't think quite possible. Well, to each his own.
Yeah. Bulan, continue to rave about her because co-captain, but acting like a captain.
That's right. Leading by example.
And communicating as well.
Oh, good dig.
There's the real captain, though. The official captain, Lucette Dawis.
And Easy does it just there in the center of that NU defense.
He's finding the seam, that open spot on the defense of NU.
You know, in that slow-mo, you shouldn't show Coach Francis that. That's one slow-mo he wouldn't want to see. It was totally, you know, the defense actually crumbled right in front of everyone's eyes. No blocker, no coverage whatsoever.
Lorraine, sa volleyball, meron ba kayong, like sa practices, yung viewing? You view the game, you view the replay, and then the coaches point out, oh, ito, yung mali nyo sa game, and stuff like that.
Oh, now I know that there are more, there are teams who use that. During my time, syempre, wala.
Okay.
We don't have the luxury of that. But I know some squads use that. I'm pretty sure teams like Ateneo, you know, teams like even UST, LaSalle, I'm sure these teams have all, like NU, I'm sure they all have been using that. Because even in the international competition, that's the standard already. People use that.
14-9 is our tally. National University leading 2-1. It's a back set for the much improved sophomore Myla Pablo. Jen Reyes pops it up. It's a set. Pablo again.
Wow.
Combination play for Pablo.
You can see Pablo. That's a good example of enjoying her game. You know, she comes out with that kill and that huge grin.
You're looking at the future of National University. They are really going to be a threat in the years to come here in the UAAP, because you have Pablo, who's just a sophomore, okay, and then you still have one more year for Kai Nepomuceno. You have Santiago, of course, in just her second playing year, so that means 3 more playing years for her.
Well, you know, that rebuilding of Coach Francis, that patience is really paying off for this squad. But I honestly think Dindin Santiago has one more year left.
Oh yeah. Just came to me, the rule. So I stand corrected. O nga pala, when you switch from a UAP school to a UAP school, that cuts down 2 years.
Yes, the eligibility is, I mean, that's what they call it. So you give up automatically that 2 years. So
Yeah,
you
yeah,
played
yeah.
1 year, 2 years, 2 more years. I mean,
Thank you
after
for reminding me about that. Sa basketball kasi ganun eh.
Also, yeah, same rule naman for UAP.
Yeah, with RV Bringas, who transferred from LaSalle to FEU. So naputol din yung playing years niya.
Pablo.
Yeah, Pablo has just been energized here in this game. New start for National University. Kit Kat break. Get ready for what's next. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat.